this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you if your AirPod microphone is not working. If you are calling to somebody, they're not listening what you're saying. You have some problem with microphone. So what we can do, we have to check the AirPod is properly charged or not. The first most basic stage, this one. Connect with your charger properly. Check that the AirPod is charging, everything is okay or not. When you connect the charger, you'll see the light here. I see amber light or orange light here. So check the charging, try with another charger. This is first step. Then you have to check both of the AirPods are charging properly or not. So how you can do that? When you put one of the AirPods as this one side, the putting, it will change the color. So it is moving, is green means 100% charge. Then try the same way. Another one is charging or not, you see, changing the color, orange now, this is charging. So both of them are working fine. So none of them has any problem. So now I put this AirPod and we'll check with our phone. We'll go to our phone here. When you connect with your phone, you'll see both AirPod has charged and both working together. Case has charging, so there's no problem in the AirPod. So mic has an issue. We'll go here at the top. You see AirPod is connected. So slide down the menu. We go to Bluetooth option. Click this one. Tap. You see Bluetooth setting here. Go inside the setting. In setting, you see AirPod is connected. Tap this one at the corner. So there is no charging issue. Everything is okay. It has this. Then you have to go to this option. You can see here microphone always left. So no matter what happens, if your microphone left side is not working, the right side is fine. Still people not gonna listen to you. Hit this one. Automatically switch AirPods. So automatically it will change the microphone left to right. This may fix your problem. If you know the problem is on the left, you can decide the right microphone. So change the option of the microphone, try which combination is working for you. So I leave as this at the right, so it must work for you in this case. So where it is, microphone, put automatic, switch AirPod will decide which one. So this is the way, no matter which problem you have, it will fix. So it would be almost impossible both mic is damaged or defected. So this is the way you can fix AirPod mic issue if it's not working, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.